Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing a haul from Hobby Lobby. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to do a quick video. I did a haul from Hobby Lobby. There was a ton of kits there to pick from, so I picked a bunch that I think would be on the more difficult side, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, let's check them out. So, we have a crochet kit for the bee. And I like how in big and bold it says intermediate level. A lot of people think they can just start off making these kits, and even the beginner level kits are not so beginner friendly. Okay. We have crochet kit the cow. Look how cute that is. These are going to be very interesting to make because they don't seem that seamlessly constructed. We've got Cinnamoroll. They did have a Hello Kitty, but that one looked a little funny, so I just got that one. Next we have Star Wars. Now this one is very silly, but I can imagine there's a lot of us out there getting this kit because of the movie, so and it does look a little complicated. These are very tiny, so I'll be helping out with that. Next we have the Chanel crochet kit for the bunny, so this is going to be nice and plush. I love Chanel when it comes to crochet kits. It just gets a little difficult to see, but we'll see how that goes. Look how cute the bunny is. Then we have Highland cow. Look how cute this cow is. Look at that tail. That might be a nightmare, but we'll see. Then we have the cat. This looks a little complicated. It's not the cutest thing, but I can imagine that all these pieces are going to be a little bit difficult for some to do. And we have this right here. The cactus, this is a lot of parts. So I can imagine that that's going to be a little difficult to construct and put together. Then we have the crochet dog. All right. Now we have more kits here. Gotta go get the bag. We have the fox. And I'm hoping that these kits are of larger size because they do seem of larger size. But then that also means the video might be longer. So here we have the chick. We have the pig. And then we have the chicken. This might be a little complicated. This one actually has like the Woobles yarn, so that's going to be fun to do. Now these next two are cross stitching or embroidery, so I got stitch to stitch. so that's gonna be fun. And then we have Winnie the Pooh. So we'll see how that one goes. Alright, and then I finally, oh gosh, like, not that I went to a Michael's, because that's normally where I go, but at the Hobby Lobby, I went to the yarn section and I found thin black yarn. And now this is great to have when you do these kits, because sometimes they need to have the skinnier yarn to do the faces or what have you. What is those? Sometimes the crochet kits from other stores have the same gauge yarn too in black, and I got the white one. I just had not found the black one yet. It's been on my shopping list forever, and I just happened to be in a store that has it. So it's pretty nice. $5 at 4 ounces or 478 yards. Anyway, so that is the haul, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Two things, if there's anything from this haul that you need to see, comment below, and I'll work out that video. If there's something in here that you haven't seen that you need, comment below and maybe I'll find it. I got something, like some things that I saw, and not every store is going to be the same, so just let me know. And then the other thing is, I'm going to have to redraw the giveaway. I had picked a name and I have not heard from this person. If I already had their address, I would have sent it already, but since I don't have that information, I will be respinning for the giveaway. I am going to be using the names from the entries, whatever you want to call them, from before, from past videos for this 2,000 subscriber giveaway, because I would love to get rid of all this stuff I got. So at any rate, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.